I would describe myself as a passionate aerospace engineer from Delft University here in the Netherlands. Up to this day, I'm fascinated by aerospace, and I specialized in aerospace materials, which fall into two broad categories, you might say, the metallics and the non-metallics, like composites. I'm also highly interested in things like innovation and what is called disruptive technologies, among which are powder technology and additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing. So the article will consist of 3 parts. I think it will be not too surprising that I would like to talk about the additive manufacturing possibilities focusing on titanium alloys.